welcome to the Velvet Lounge restaurant review. We are here at Rein's Deli, which is a pretty well-known restaurant in Vernon, Connecticut, right off the highway. Thank you.
Yes, I have them. I saw that in your pocket too. I was like, let me touch it before.
One of the things they're known for their Dr. Brown soda and their pickles.
The extra napkins were in her pocket though.
And it sort of has a retro vibe to it. It's very crowded and busy usually. I'd say Ryan's back on the wall. Used to. Let's see it. So we are going to do a review of the food today. Now pull your they have a pretty extensive menu, and they work as a delicatessen bakery and restaurant combination. You can also get catering. I'm here with Al and Daisy. Yeah, everyone looks as if they just woke up.
There's a bird outside.
Which is not true.
Fell out of the nest.
Did they save it? I hope so.
I'm still breathing, but like.
We will show you what our meals look like when it comes back. The prices here are, I would consider inexpensive.
What do you do?
So,
Probably hit the window. Welcome to Brooklyn. We're in Brooklyn. So, did I tell you that one?
Well, I mean, I guess that's not common knowledge, but what's even not like that's common knowledge is how to pronounce mausoleum. Because Jess was trying, she's like a mausoleum. It was so wrong.
but she just being. So, delivery.
Is that crispy enough?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
So, I ordered breakfast. Can't wait to break into this bagel. It looks really tasty.
There you go. You're welcome. Everybody's drink okay?
Yes, thank you.
Enjoy. You're welcome.
And Daisy has a Chahala French toast.
Did you eat another napkin?
Is that how you, is it Shahala? Shahala. Al has a mushroom omelet with just mushrooms, no cheese. Very bizarre. And that's what we have. And in total, the cost for all of this will be about $35. Actually, with beverages, they'll be about $42, probably. Here's the beverages. Let's see if we have a runny egg. Yes, Eureka! That's a nice egg. And you can ask for crispier hash browns.
Like Molly and Jess.
And cream cheese comes with your bagel. You don't have to pay extra.
Usually I don't really get that. Usually I'm like, it's nice. Maybe wait over like
Now, can I cut into your mushroom omelet for the people? Just a chop.
No.
I have to chop it.
No.
And
The
here's
answer is no.
Here, cut into it then. Hurry up.
Enjoy. I'll
So,
check back in a minute.
Al
Everything
has,
okay so far?
yes. Al has a very ample omelet, and it's full of mushrooms. And he also has crispy hash browns with rye toast. Say hi, Al.
Hi.
We only take him out on Mondays. Daisy,
are you
say hello.
excited?
That's the tired daughter because she went on a weekend excursion with her friends.
in my mad parties.
Yep, they had a great time, which is her college chums. And so I guess that's pretty much it for this video, but I just wanted to show you what we got from Rein's Deli. They do have sandwiches. They mostly, it's technically really like a deli because most of the food is deli food or something you would find at Pat's Diner when that was open in New York. I don't believe it's open anymore, I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to get down right now. And remember to subscribe, comment, and share our videos. Take care.